Dubai property market is booming and the opportunities seem endless. But what if I told you that one single mistake could ruin your entire investment? This isn't just about losing money. It's about avoiding a nightmare that could haunt your financial future. Let me show you how to avoid falling into this trap that many investors regret. But before that, my name's Alex Gorashov. I'm a property investor based in Dubai, and I've started my Airbnb and property investing journey back in Bali, where we have a 20-room hotel, and now we expanded to Dubai. So I've known the market a little bit, and I want to share the main insights that will keep you away from failing. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to know more about the most crucial insights on the Dubai property market, and let's begin. Investing in Dubai can be incredibly lucrative. This city is a global hub for business, tourism, and innovation, attracting many tourists from all over the world, and at the same time attracting thousands of investors who are looking into the profitable future. But behind the glitz and glamour, there are risks that could turn your dream investment into a potential nightmare. And the most disturbing part, most of these pitfalls are set up by people you trust: agents, developers, and even the market hype. Let's start with the agents. Dubai's real estate market is saturated with agents and agencies who lack the basic knowledge of financial instruments that could guide you towards profitable investments, or even the deep knowledge of the market insights, as they haven't been in this market for long enough to understand the trends and where is it headed towards. Instead of focusing on your financial goals, many of them are often chasing the one and only thing that is valuable just for them, and that is the commission. Agents might pitch you properties without understanding the long-term profitability, the resale value, or even the rental income that this specific property could generate you. Don't get me wrong, there are really good agents and brokers in Dubai as well. However, these are very few numbers. And by this, I mean that many of the agents that are currently flooding this market are just coming from all over the world, because Dubai is a tax haven and they can earn pretty good money in real estate, and it's pretty easy to get in. So that's why this kind of mixture of good and bad agents happened. This means that you could end up buying a property that looks really good on paper, had a very brilliant presentation, and the developer seems to invest a lot of money into their marketing. However, it could perform terribly in real life. Always do your due diligence and consult multiple sources before proceeding and committing towards an investment. Another major mistake is falling into the properties in remote or underdeveloped areas. These areas often come with really attractive pricing and good offers, but the reality could be harsh. Construction noise, lack of infrastructure, and the area appeal could make it literally impossible to resell this property or even rent it out. Imagine owning an apartment where the view is just half-finished cranes and buildings everywhere. Sure, the area could develop in 5 to 10 years, but can you wait for so long and have your money stuck into such a non-profitable investment? Without proper market research and the guidance of really good brokers, you could end up with a property that no one wants, neither renters nor buyers. And trust me, this has happened not only in specific areas, but even in a couple of specific buildings by some developers who just invested a ton of money into their marketing, and after all the hype went down, the property is actually non-attractive to anyone. So the buyers who invested into those off-plan buildings now can't resell it, or they can't even rent it out, as no end user wants to live there. Then there's the issue of developers. Again, don't get me wrong, some developers, because others are pretty good, and many good developers that have been on this market for many years actually build very well, high quality, and right on time. Or worse, failing to complete the project altogether. Because when you're investing on off plans, you're betting on promises. Let's face it, these delays can significantly impact your investment timeline. While you wait, your capital is locked and you're missing out on opportunities like stocks, interest-bearing accounts, or even already made and ready properties that could already generate you income. A delayed or partially completed project can leave you financially stranded for a pretty long time. And then there's the hype. Dubai's developers are marketing geniuses that they definitely deserve. So they employ huge PR campaigns to market and create a buzz around the new projects. Off-plan properties usually sell out really quickly, with some developers selling them in just a matter of minutes, and investors jump into these projects and opportunities due to the fear of missing out. Again, there are a couple of projects that you really don't want to miss out, but they're quite rare and it's not happening every month. However, in Dubai, the developers make it so that you feel that it's happening every single month. But here's the catch. Once the hype settles down, the reality comes in. As mentioned earlier, some finished buildings simply fail to attract end users, are non-rentable. Maybe the location isn't convenient or the market is simply oversaturated with buildings, which is something we've seen happening in JVC, where there are plenty of apartments everywhere. And the result? A property that's worth significantly less than you paid for and with no real demand. So how can you avoid these costly mistakes? First, arm yourself with knowledge. Research the market, the developer's reputation, and the area's long-term potential. You can use simply some property engines like Bayut or Property Finder to see how this specific area or even building performed over the last few months or even years. Secondly, don't rely solely on agents. Consult independent property advisors or financial planners and make sure you are informed before you commit to something. You can also reach out to me. I do provide financial advisory for specifically real estate in Dubai and would be more than happy to help you with your property investing journey in here. And third, always consider the worst case scenario. Ask yourself, if this investment doesn't go as planned, can I get out of it or can I go ahead with it? Remember, investing in Dubai can be incredibly rewarding, and it's been like this for me for a couple of projects, but even myself, I can recognize that I've risked quite a lot while investing in off-plans in here without knowing too much about the developers. Don't let the allure of quick gains blind you from the main risks. Your financial future is too important to gamble on the hype. Nevertheless, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more real estate insights. Have you had any experiences, good or bad, with the Dubai property investments? Let me know in the comments below and let's help each other make our investments more fruitful and more profitable. Wish you a great day with smart decisions ahead and see you in the next video.